Dominate every enemy in this sector. Now we got the first fatality in red team.
Baby Wolf. First kill. Wolf kill. 2 combos. Battle Wolf. Wolf kill. 3 combos. Elite Wolf. Wolf kill. Sneak attack. 4 combos. Blood Wolf. Wolf kill. Sneak attack. Monster Wolf. Wolf kill. Sneak attack. Death Wolf. Wolf kill. 2 combos. Master Wolf. Wolf kill. 3 combos. Perfect Wolf. Wolf kill. Wolf kill.
1 minute left.
Wolf kill. 2 combos. Wolf kill. 3 combos. Wolf kill. 4 combos. Wolf kill. 5 combos. Wolf kill. Wolf kill. Sneak attack.
25 seconds left.
Wolf kill. Wolf kill. Wolf kill.
10 seconds left.
2 combos. Wolf kill. 3 combos.
Mission complete. We win.